Alright, time to go to the washing machine. I still need to spruce that up. It's like Inception. Actually a bunch of random stuff in here. I'm definitely gonna reorganize this. Hello, it's Colin. I am about to fix my bathroom. I'm about to clean my bathroom and reorganize it, make it super cute, because it's been looking like a disaster for a while. Both my drains are clogged, which is like not good. So I went to Walgreens and I got some things. I got some Drano, I got cleaning supplies, I got soap. I didn't have any hand soap left. I was using my bath soap for hand soap. Weird. Anyways, unrelated. I just need to basically like clear everything out, clean it, and fix it all up because one, I have nothing better to do. And two, it's stressing me out because like, I feel like the bathroom's supposed to be your utopia and I want it to be my utopia again. Ignore my room that's also not clean. But I'm basically gonna be fixing everything up. So, yeah, come watch. All right, so there was some hair in the sink. So I was trying to get it out, which is why it looks kind of streaky and gross. Did not realize how gross hello. Didn't realize how gross my sink was. But I'm gonna put the liquid plumber in now. Let me check and actually make sure this is safe. Septic systems do not use with plunger or in toilets. Oh, okay, safe for all pipes. Safe for all pipes, awesome. I suck at this. Okay, I'm putting this down for a second. Okay, I just put the Drano in my sink and in my bathtub, and now it smells like death. So I'm gonna go put my shower curtain and my towels in the wash because I feel like I should not be in here. Alright, time to go to the washing machine. So we're on to, I hate that I always do this. So we're on to cleaning everything, bathtub, sink, everything. I'm using Comet. If you don't know what Comet is, it's like powder bleach. It's really, I don't know, effective. Also makes everything smell like bleach. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it. Like I just spread a little bit around and then use a sponge. But yeah, but it works really well. It cleans everything. You just have to make sure to like super rinse everything afterwards, because if you don't, then it'll leave little bleach streaks, like little powdery streaks, and that's not what we're going for. That's also probably not safe. So yes, but I'm doing that right now. I'm gonna clean everything and then I'll come back and start organizing. Also, I changed shirts because it's not safe to wear black shirts or shirts with any color in them while you're using cleaning/bleaching products. I've learned from my previous mistakes, aka when I wear like blue shirts that turn orange. So yeah, so don't do that. Wear a white shirt. Wear a shirt you don't care about, wear a sleep shirt, I don't know, something like that. But yeah, see you guys in a minute. Hi, I'm back. I just finished cleaning my sink and reorganizing everything on here. So I'm gonna show you how I organized everything and put stuff away. And then I'm gonna continue organizing below my sink because I still need to spruce that up. All right, so here's the finished product pretty much. I have my perfumes and my soap right here. I have, you can see everything, I don't know why I'm pointing. I have my cotton balls and Q-tips. I'm gonna keep pointing, oops. I wanna get like something right here where I can put my toothbrush and toothpaste, like a little holder, because it's just like awkwardly sitting there right now. I have this little handheld mirror. I accidentally rusted it, so I should probably, ooh, where am I? I should probably get a new one. This is like Inception, but it has like a little ring light so I can, you know, use it while I'm doing makeup. I don't know, well, that doesn't work. Yeah, I can use it while I'm doing makeup, so I just leave it under here. This is my little catch-all dish with a lot of my liquid lipsticks and stuff. I probably need to figure out a new way to organize this because it looks a little bit cluttered, and that's not really what I'm going for. But for now, that's what it looks like. I have scrunchies on the top, scrunchies and hair ties. I have my eyelashes in the middle, and then on the bottom, I have actually a bunch of random stuff in here. I'm definitely gonna reorganize this. So yeah, cool. I have my makeup kits. Modern Renaissance, my favorite palette. This is a random Urban Decay one. This is my Huda Beauty one, which is super pretty and pink. Kylie Jenner, one of her like first ones, and then my highlighter palette. And then this is my skincare and miscellaneous care. So this is what it all looks like. Some hair oil, cool, whatever, it doesn't matter. And then it's really convenient because I have what's called outlet, so I can put in like my hair straighteners and stuff. I have just everything in here, so it's all nice and clean. Oh, I can finally take this out. This was out here before. I'm just gonna put this right there, my little aromatherapy. Cool. So this is everything so far. All right, I'm back. I just did the underneath of my sink. So I'll show you that. Yeah.